Welcome guys. Today is going to be another unboxing of a product I recently purchased on sale. We are unboxing the LITRA Torch 2.0 filter kit with a GoPro mount. I recently just purchased it on sale for $69.99 plus tax. Originally, they can go up to, I believe, $129. For this package, my intention was to have a small light unit that I can use that's waterproof mainly, that I need when I can utilize it in so many different applications, from tabletop, such as if I'm shooting products that requires any type of liquids that come into the shots. I can create some kind of lighting accents on different effects, backgrounds, little touch-ups on scenes. I might use it for music videos. Might be interesting to have it on your bag, such as probably effects in front of camera. And so let's go on and unbox this. All right. In the box, it's got the receipt and how much I purchased it for, $69.99 plus tax. It's well packaged to keep it nice and secure. And the box is not too big. It's almost big as my hand. So let's open this up. In the box, it says Filter Set Limited Edition. It's got yellow, green, red, blue. It's got some orange and some beige and white. So you can adjust it from daylight to CTO. Utilized for photo, video, and phone. In the back of the box, it just has what's equipped with: the light torch, the diffuser, DSLR camera mount, belt clip, GoPro camera mount, smartphone magnet mount, USB charge cable. So let's go on and open this up. Okay. There is a little warning pamphlet here that says light torch, a high performance powerful LED light. Like all lights, light torch will produce a certain level of heat. Heat levels increase depending on how long the light has been in continuous operation and at what lighting level. It's a little hard to read. It's like black, but that's just a little warning label there. All right, so in the package itself is the light. Just pulling it out from the front. Okay, first impression, the build is really well. It's rugged. It feels like it's metal. It's got a good build to it. If you drop it, I feel like it's definitely going to sustain the impact. Obviously don't drop it too high, but it's got a good amount of power to this thing. So this is probably at 100. And it's probably about 400 on the strength level. And if I'm looking, and this is full blast, and if I'm looking at it, I can see about 7, 8, 9, 10 feet away, and I can see the light landing in that area. So it's definitely really powerful. Pretty neat. Okay, and I believe this is magnet. Yep, it is magnet. So that's cool. So if you're in areas where you're a running gun and you need some kind of quick lighting, that'll be cool. And if you see metal, you can just quickly turn that on, power it up, and you can give instant lighting to talent or someone in front of camera or product. So really cool stuff. And in the back is a place you can mount it into a GoPro mount, a tripod. You could utilize other grip tools. You can be creative, and if you don't have metal to place it on, you can grip it in ways that you can have this tool to be as useful as possible. Go further in opening the box. And I believe this is a charging cable here that goes into the back of the light unit, typical USB. So you just plug that up and charge it. And the GoPro mount here, screw that on the bottom or in the back. You can actually screw this on as well, and you can put it in a hot shoe and top of the camera. And another tool here. It also comes with this neat gel holders, and there's several different gels in here, various colors. Looks like CTOs, half CTOs, another diffusion, greens, blues, yellow, and red. So it's neat how they supplied various different gels in this nice little case. And there is a placeholder for the gels, and you just easily put that in the front and it snaps on. Now you have a different color. Pretty cool. And the box is a dome diffusion, and I believe you need to take out this gel frame holder so it'll snugly fit in there so it won't come off easily. There's a chance this thing will come out, and if you lose it, tough luck. So it's, you know, it's snug in there, not so tight, but it does the job. It's nice to diffuse light there. So that's just one thing you gotta just pay attention to, is just it doesn't snuggle into a position. My first impression of this, I'm quite excited to use it. I think I'll have a good time utilizing this. This will be such a great light in the toolbox of my light kits.